Hello everybody, my name is Alan, I'm from Sauber-Lab and today will be another video about Home Assistant. In this video we're gonna continue the previous video about dashboard. So this video will be part 2 for the dashboard. But before you ask, I will not start to look for the mushroom in this video. We're gonna do something different. In the previous video I show how you can update your dashboard and make it a little bit more minimalistic, and in this way you can add more information in this dashboard. But if I leave the standard dashboard, everything is kind of bluish, and that's it's not appealing my view, and maybe I wanted to change a little bit. So in this video we're gonna show how you can transform your dashboard in this way. In this way you have different colors and you have different themes that you can install and you can configure in order to make look like better for your needs or your view, or at least in your house. In this way, once that you want to put a tablet in your living room, you can match the color for your living room to the color of your theme. This way will look like better. So if you like this idea and want to learn a little bit more about it, we're gonna show you this video. But first of all, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe for the channel if you are not subscribed yet, and let's understand a little bit more about it. Before I start to show how you can install different themes in your Home Assistant, first of all, we need to have HACS installed in our system. And this hack is really important because it will be a repository and you're gonna have a lots of other applications. So if you don't have HACS installed, stop this video, look for one of my previous videos where I show how you can install our HACS, and then you can return for this video. So now, consider that you already have HACS installed in your system. We come in our computer. Here, first of all, if we come here with our theme without any option, and come for the three dots, dashboard, and in this pen, you can select different themes, but you don't have any theme installed because you didn't install any application. So what we need to do? We need to install different applications, and here is the hacks that we're gonna use. Before I start to explain how you can install this theme and this option, I will explain a little bit more about hacks. If I come here in settings, in my add-ons, here it's all the add-ons that I have installed in my system. If I come here in add-ons, I have a few options of ads that I can add, but this way is not good enough because I don't have all the options or all the application that I could have compared for hacks. Why? Here I have around 50 or 60 applications, and if I come here in hacks, and here it's about, it means that the hacks at this stage they have 1156 different applications, and these applications directly connect for GitHub. In this way you have a lot of options and people can develop different apps or different containers and add to be able to use in hacks. Also, it's good to remember that hacks have two options, so two parts. You have the integration part and you have the front-end part. If I come here in the integration, will be all the application that will do some activity or will do something for you. In one of my previous videos I show how you can install DeepStack for object. I don't remember if I install for face, but for object, in this way they get the image for your pictures, save in a folder and make a catalog for all the objects that was in front of this camera. So in this way, all will work as an integration. You'll not be able to see directly it, only after the application is done, you're gonna understand what's going on. But in this video, we're gonna come specific for frontend. Here in frontend, in previous video I show how to install mushroom and theme, and with those applications you can manipulate your dashboard. But at the moment it's a dark dashboard, what is not appeal and it's not so good in this case. That's only the standard. So what we can do, we can change the color of our dashboard. To do it, we come here in Explore and download repository, and here you have a lots of different repository that will affect love card or will affect the colors. And you don't need to install only the ones that I'm telling. You can search and look what could be better for you, but in this case we're gonna install this one, iOS theme, dark mode and light mode. It means that if I come here, they will explain a little bit more what this application will give you and what's about. So if I come here, they give 28 different modes, and it means that it's 7 different backgrounds, and here's the basic 7 backgrounds. And once that you look, you can have different colors, and here they explain a little bit more or show at least the different colors that they can give you. In this way you can choose different colors according for your needs or according for the room that you want, or at least use the color that you prefer. Have this one in mind. We come here and we'll put download. I will put download and I will wait few minutes until they finish download. Depending if you're using Raspberry Pi old one or a new one, will be fast or slower. Once that they finish the download, we can come here back in HACS, fronted, and now appear this theme. And now we can use it. Yes, but will not work at the moment. If I come here in Mushroom, come here in our dashboard and try to configure it, they will not work. And you're gonna ask, Alan, you need to restart your system. Yes, okay, we're gonna restart our system. So I'll come here in my tools, check everything's okay, and I'll put restart. And then I will wait a few seconds until they restart, and that we can try again to see if it's work or not. Okay, we just restart our system, and if I come here Mushroom and put edit dashboard and try to modify my theme, I still don't have anything, either that restart. Why? It's because you didn't configure it for your home system to look that specific fronted. So in this way, we're gonna come here our Visual Studio. If you don't have Visual Studio, you always can go through the Samba SMB and try to open the configuration.iml, because we have the studio code, everything will work better and they will give more information for you. So here I have my configurations, but you need to set up that the home system will read the information for the program. In this way, one of the videos I show how you do a camera, but I don't want to look for camera, I want to look for the front information. So in this way, I will only tape this information. Fronted, that will affect your fronted, and the front will look for themes, and the themes will be different marriage dates. And because I have a different themes that they add, look like blue, green, and continue on, the same thing for the mushroom themes. In this way, I can come here for my development tools and put check configuration. If everything's okay, they will appear configuration is working, will not prevent your restart, and that I will put restart. If perhaps you tape it wrong or you did any configuration wrong, they will tell you you're doing something wrong, review your configuration. Please don't restart if the configuration is not properly set, because it will not work or could create a worse issue. So in this way, we're gonna wait to restart our home system. Once that your home system has been restart, we can come here in our mushroom again, and it will do exactly the same step. 3 dots, edit dashboard, put in the pen, and now you have a lot of different themes. The first time that I installed this iOS theme, I was hoping that it will appear all the themes straight away, but it didn't work. And that you need to add only that 2 lines, and that will give you a lot of different themes options. And then in this way, we can decide the dark blue and save, and now they are dark blue, or I can go a little bit more reddish. Let's go for green and put save. And in this way, you have a lot of different colors or different options that you can do for become more appealing or match more for your needs. In this way, once that you put look like those tablets and that's run home system, they will look like better for you, and that you have more options to see. So I hope that you guys like this video. In this way, you have a lot of other options of themes that you can install, not necessarily only this dark mode that you can install, but you can install other themes that you can find directly in your HACS. So this reason that's really important you have HACS installed. Other things start to arrive some things for my home system, so I will start to post more videos about it, how you can do some integrations or how you can add more device in your system. So if you like this video and think that it was interesting, please don't forget to leave a like, consider to subscribe for the channel, and see you next time. Bye.